Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Fiat 500 in blue. This vehicle benefits from a 1.2 litre petrol engine meeting Euro 6 emission standards, as well as body-coloured side rubbing strips featuring the iconic 500 logo. This vehicle also benefits from these striking 15-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle also benefits from these striking headlights with LED daytime running lights, complemented by its stunning rear lights ensuring you are always visible. Now moving into the rear cabin, your rear passengers will enjoy the part leather and cloth upholstery. Now moving to your vehicle's boot, perfect for daily items to store inside, and the back seats also fold down at a 50-50 split, supplying you with even more room. Now moving into the front cabin, the stylish look continues with the same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, as well as your glass roof with a sunshade for whether you want that sunshade open or closed depending on the weather. This vehicle also benefits from a multifunctional steering wheel where you control the functions of the vehicle by a click of a button. Now moving to the vehicle's infotainment system, you can explore the radio options available on this vehicle, as well as listen to your own music via USB. You can also pair your device via Bluetooth so you can make and receive those all-important telephone calls. Moving down, we have your air conditioning, which is easy to use and control, so you can control the cabin's temperature, as well as your two front window switches provided, and also a USB charge port. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Fiat 500 in blue. If you are interested in this vehicle, please get in touch with our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.